Hey, what's up, Chainlink holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news of the Chainlink. What's the price of Chainlink? What's the price since opening the Chainlink? And what's the next move of the Chainlink? In this video, I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now this time, my friends, the latest change occurred in the Chainlink as negative. Oh my god, you know what, this time a lot of people message me on Instagram that what should we do in this critical situation. The changes is again going negative, the price of Chainlink is again falls down. So what should we do in this critical situation? So that's why I'm decided to make a video for all of you, my friends. So this time you can see here the changes of the Chainlink as negative. The last 1 hour change is negative, the last 1 day change is negative. The whole changes occur in the Chainlink as negative at this time, my friends. And you can see the last 1 week, last 7 day changes of the Chainlink is positive, my friends. So the previous change is positive, but unfortunately, now it is the last day of the June month, and on the last day, the changes of the Chainlink has become a negative, my friends. So my friends, that's not mean that the changes is negative, so you decide to sell. No, my friends. This is a wrong decision for all holders. Don't decide to sell at this time, my friends, especially on the last day. Never sell any cryptocurrencies on the last day of the month, my friends. And you know what? I also predicated Chainlink that they will take a huge pump in the July month. Through the whole July month, the prices of the Chainlink well positive, my friends. That is my personal prediction about Chainlink. So now this time also recommend for all of you that please buy more and more Chainlink. If you want profit, buy more and more, because the June month will be the good month of the Chainlink, my friends. That's my personal prediction. That's my personal opinion about Chainlink, my friends. Anyways, at this time, the market rank of the Chainlink is start increasing. 15 is the market rank of the Chainlink. Chainlink is the fastest moving cryptocurrencies, and hope they will give you good amount of profit if you hold for a long term. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.